This is the free motion quilting tutorial for Crocus cluster. This is stitched by first starting with the crocus shape, which is kind of like a petal with a kind of dip in the base of it, almost like a heart without the pointy part, that, splitting the two halves of a heart. Once you finish your initial crocus petal shape, you're then going to fill it with these nice, long, slightly curving lines. Rotate your piece and then create another cluster, another crocus petal, and I'm creating this in kind of a cluster, working from the center to the outside. And so I fit 4 crocus petals in the center and then branched out from there with more crocuses. And I really like the way that this looks, but you could of course change it up quite a bit by having only 3 crocus petals, or you could do 5 or 6. It would definitely change the look of this design if you varied the number that you started with. As you can see, I just simply work around in kind of a circle, creating these crocus petals and then filling them. Once I finish creating all of the petals, then I'm just simply going to wiggle into the space in between them. And what I realize is that if the area is a little narrow, all I have to do is just simply extend the long, elongate the kind of the tip of the crocus to make it fit. So you can see here, I just kind of make that top skinny part a little longer, and that'll make it fit just about anywhere you want it to go. This is a design that should be worked in kind of an open, uncomplicated area of your quilting space because it's worked from the center of your quilt to the outside. So definitely use it somewhere like over a very large block, and it will look really good in that area. And here's what it looks like when you finish Crocus Cluster. For over 150 videos on free motion quilting, go to daystyledesigns.com.